Welcome to the presentation of LaboChef 5, the multifunction countertop machine with a vertical cylinder, designed to express your culinary creativity to the fullest. In addition to numerous preset cycles for pastry, chocolate, gastronomy, and gelato, LaboChef 5 offers a virtually infinite number of free programs. In fact, users can choose to utilize existing cycles, modify and customize them as desired, or create completely new recipes from scratch. The operating temperature ranges from a minimum of -15 Celsius to a maximum of 105 Celsius. The hot gas is precisely modulated to suit the product being processed, preventing any burns or encrustations. Additionally, the heating and cooling power is adaptable according to the recipe, ensuring maximum flexibility and quality. The upper cylinder and outlet are monolithic, a single continuous piece that ensures maximum hygiene. The beater, without a central shaft and equipped with newly designed scrapers, ensures perfect results for every product. The stirring speed is adjustable according to the type of recipe to optimize texture and structure. The ergonomic double lid makes it easy to add ingredients even when the product is being mixed, ensuring operational safety. The extraction spigot has 4 positions. The first is fully closed. The second keeps the product inside the cylinder, allowing the spigot to be cleaned even when the machine is in use. The third is for extraction of liquid products. Finally, the fourth, due to its width, is ideal for rapid extraction of particularly dense products. The steel shelf can be adjusted in 2 positions, a straight one for standard operations and an upside-down one for supporting containers and pans of different sizes. The new touchscreen display, which also features a joystick controller, makes it even easier to create customized cycles. For user convenience, all relevant information such as speed, temperature, and more is always available, with suggestions for introducing ingredients at each stage of production. When the machine is running a temperature that exceeds 50 Celsius, the display turns red to prevent incorrect maneuvers with hot products. With the optional Gelato Kit, LaboChef 5 transforms into a batch freezer. The dedicated lid, beater, counter beater, and door guarantee excellent gelato thanks to Hard-O-Tronic, Carpigiani's exclusive consistency control system. The automatic defrost procedure allows a quick restart of batch freezing in case of power failure or accidental stop during gelato production. LaboChef 5 can produce from a minimum of 1.5 kilograms to a maximum of 5 kilograms of pastry cream per cycle, and from 2 to 3.5 kilograms of gelato per cycle. Continuity of production is guaranteed by Teorema, the control and diagnosis system for remote machine monitoring, which can be accessed via computer or mobile device. Thanks to Teorema, Carpigiani technicians are automatically notified of any potential issue. Washing is facilitated by the removable tap and beater, which allow any product residue to be removed for complete cleaning. In addition, the machine is equipped with a quick coupling handheld sprayer, shower, and dedicated holder for easy connection and disconnection. Thanks to the hot clean function, the cylinder can be heated to quickly dissolve and detach any grease residues. LaboChef 5 is the ideal partner for pastry chefs, chefs de cuisine, chocolatiers, and gelato makers. It stands for quality standardization, maximum hygiene, reduction of manual work, and flexible production range. LaboChef 5 includes a detailed recipe book that can be downloaded via the QR code on the machine, through which other useful content such as the instruction manual, ordinary maintenance plans, and video tutorials can be accessed. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you find the right machine for your business. You can find the contact of your local Carpigiani distributor as well as more info at carpigiani.com.